There are five core attributes of a cloud computing service, and they are as listed here: elasticity, on demand, provider pooled computing resources, metered service usage, and broad network access. Now, we're going to go through each of those, but these are the characteristics that you can expect to find from a cloud service provider, particularly if you are considering a move or a migration to a cloud service. Then you want to know that they are meeting these core attributes. So, the first one, elasticity. This is the ability to rapidly add, referred to as provisioning, and or removing, deprovisioning resources and or services as needed. So the whole idea here is, of course, flexibility. If I need more of something, I can get it. If I need less of something, I can release what I have. It is very flexible. From the perspective of an individual customer, most large cloud providers present what would appear to be, for all intents and purposes, infinite resources. Obviously it's not, but I just mean from the perspective of one customer, you really can have as much as you need. So it is very flexible. You decide you need more database servers, you can have them. You need more storage, you can have it. It's there, and it really isn't overly limited, again, from the perspective of any given customer, apart from your own budgetary constraints. On demand, cloud services are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. The internet does not go down, at least in terms of regular operating hours. So you can access your services from anywhere as long as you have connectivity to the internet. So it is entirely accessible no matter what. Provider pooled computing resources. This refers to the fact that the cloud provider acquires and maintains all computing hardware on which the cloud services run. So you don't have to purchase anything. You might be able to operate entirely within cloud based services without purchasing any kind of hardware or infrastructure to support your IT environment, apart from maybe the desktop computers or the laptops or even the mobile devices that your users require. But they basically acquire and maintain all of it. They pool it all together, and then they allocate certain amounts to each customer. Metered service usage, it's in almost every case a subscription fee plus a billing model over and above that. So things like storage space and bandwidth consumption are measured so that you only pay for what you use. So again, depending on the provider, you might have a flat monthly fee just to have the service. Then you pay for each additional amount of storage or each additional amount of bandwidth that you use. So things like that. And broad network access cloud services can be accessed from any type of device. It doesn't matter. It could be a desktop, a laptop, any kind of mobile device, tablet, smartphones, just about anything that is able to access any kind of IT related service or application can access the cloud services. So, again, as long as you are evaluating cloud services, you just want to know that the cloud service provider does offer and or meet all of these characteristics.